Hi friends, now we will directly go into the topic. Okay, now we are going to load all the logic using Arduino Uno. Okay, just I would like to short brief about Arduino Uno. See, this Arduino Uno is having 28 pin controller. Okay, 6 numbers of ADC is available and 6 numbers of pulse width modulator output is available, and 6 numbers of digital input and output can be configurable, and also one serial communication output is available. Okay, this is the hardware brief about this Arduino Uno. Now, so using this Arduino Uno kit, what we are going to do is we would like to try inputs and outputs, and using some other Wi-Fi kits, we are going to integrate some other components and we are going to test the logic which is given in the website. So first what I would like to do is, we will try basic, we will start from the basic, but for seeing the basic output we need some display output. So in Arduino website they are using serial communications. Through the serial communications they are viewing the values, but here what I preferred you to show the display is I am planning to integrate with LCD. Through LCD you can read the values. What is the output is given by the controller, that you can able to read it in LCD. So first we will go into this LCD configuration and LCD printing, like message printing and data printing. Then one by one we will simulate and we will understand the logic. So we have two switches here. So when there is a input comes to the picture, we will give the input in this, we will see the relevant output. And then there is 4 LEDs here. 3 LEDs is connected to the output, so that whenever we are in programming and demonstrating this relay outputs, that will corresponding this LED will get glow. And apart from this I have some potential meter, variable potential meter. So this variable potential meter we are going to connect to this ADC. Then these variations we are going to see in the LCD display. For example, this pot is having like minimum to maximum value, so we will set values of 0 to 1000. Then we will vary the potentiometer. We will see the variation in LCD. And I have one more this one component is relay. So this relay also we will connect it this Arduino digital output. We will see how the relay is getting energized and de-energized. There is one LED is connected in relay. This relay output is connected to this LED, so this LED will glow. And another thing is, I have one temperature sensor. This is TH11 sensor. So through these sensors we can able to read temperature as well as humidity. So this also we are going to integrate. And I have one more Wi-Fi module. So we are going to see Wi-Fi communication also. Through this Wi-Fi communications we will do a connectivity in the internet, and we will push the values to cloud. So this also I will explain in next segment. Okay, then one more thing, we have SIM module. This is SIM module. So through this SIM module we will send the SMS to the configurable numbers. So now the objective of this Arduino Uno is to test all the logic inputs, how to enable and disable the inputs. Based on the inputs, how we can see the outputs in LED, and based on this input and output, how we are connecting with load. Then after this, how we are going to read the analog values, like analog values, how we are going to read and print into LCD. Then after this analog values, how we are going to push it to cloud using this Wi-Fi. Then also one more integrations, we want to see the temperature, ambient temperature, so we will integrate this temperature. So these, using this all components we are going to use project. So one by one we will start now. Thank you, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also a lot of videos are going to be upload, so just keep in touch with me. Thank you.